Good morning, Patreon. So today is April 23rd. It is a Friday. So, like most weeks, we are at the wonderful Shades of Hope today. We're going to be starting some surgery soon. But we have our friend Joanna here who works at my dad's clinic with us. And she's from Toronto, so she's come all the way up today to bring up, I think, 5 different animals that were all around Toronto that people had reported were either injured or maybe abandoned young ones. Yeah, so she's here right now, so I'm going to check in with her and see what the animals are, what their stories are, and just how she's doing. So yeah, let's go.
Are you taking a picture of me?
No, I'm taking a video.
Of me?
For Patreon.
Wait.
So, Joanna, what animals did you bring today from Toronto?
Okay, I brought 2 pigeons and a baby squirrel.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to go to the barn?
I
don't know.
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh!
35.8.
That seems kind of low. Let's try again here.
37.1.
That's better.
This is a robin.
With a gunky eye.
Gunky eye. Hello.
When the scab first started lifting, but I think it's doing things under there.
Not anymore. Yeah, just let it keep granulating. It's definitely too big for me to close.
Yeah.
So, but it does, from what I remember, because I saw him before.
Yeah.
It seems like it's shrinking.
It is definitely. It was down to like the sides of his eyeballs to start with.
That's just grossness. That's all.
Zoom in.
Ew. Ew. Oh my god.
Bird pus.
Okay.
So we are off to the barn. We're gonna go look at a beaver who I think they think might be blind and has some lacerations on its back. So
I don't think you can see. It's like I smell you, but I don't know. Here you are.
go.
He's not blinking or reacting to the light at all.
What you looking at?
This is the mallard duck with the broken femur, broken in one piece, but his tibtar, his shin is broken into 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is actually a butterfly piece. This is not a full fracture. So this is not a full circumference. This is a piece that has just come off. Fragment. Looks like it's broken up there as well. So there's another piece.
So you would need to, if we're doing surgery, remove all the fragments and then pin the bone, right?
I would need to refer this to a specialist to do cerclage wiring and the whole bit. This is not going to hold a pin at all.
And then rads, or what has caused it, but
Could it not be more
Poor baby.
like herpes virus? Did they ever look like that?
ooh, I hadn't even thought pox. It has. So we put him on drugs. TMS, Meta and TMS, and I think it has reduced.
So we're poking it?
Yeah, we're going to do an aspirate to see if there's signs of an infection, see if there's pus in there, or if it's something like a pox virus.
Joanna, do you want to hold this? It's oozing out.
Oh wow, there you go. A little different than what I imagined. How much lidocaine did you put on there? Things occasionally go south in wildlife medicine. All right, let's get some Q-tips and take a little look in there.
So it's bacterial then, probably.
I think so.
It's not a virus. It's not pox.
It looks like classic squirrel pus, snotty squirrel pus.
Like a wound?
Yeah, or he injured. Yeah, and he got an infection inside, and we just helped it pop.
Why is squirrel pus so thick?
I don't know. It's really stringy.
Oh, that's a lot of
You're
liquid.
peeing.
That's why he was in such a bad mood.
Oh no.
Don't squeeze me like that. I gotta go. I didn't pee on you. I don't mean to. There's a good boy. Definitely a boy. He's very cute. How old would this guy be?
So his eyes open, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which means he should be nearly 3 weeks old, but his size, I would say he is 3 weeks old, and I would say that somebody has had him in care and been feeding him
Not good food.
not good food.
Not squirrel food.
Yeah.
Probably milk and cheese and.
So he's way too small. He's 60 grams. He's way too small to have his eyes open from a mother raised squirrel. So.
So the seagull has broken its forearm bone, let's call it, the radius down here, too close to the joint for us to fix. And then the much bigger ulna, also pretty close to the wrist here, so it might be really difficult to pin, but we don't have a choice, we gotta try. If we can at least pin the ulna, that'll keep the radius in line, it'll act like a splint. And then we'll do a really good bandage and see how he goes. It'll be a tough surgery though. These guys' bones like to break and shatter during surgery. I couldn't find the pin coming through, and it's because it went straight up through the shaft of the feather. That is the craziest thing ever. I guess this thing's gone, right? Look at that.
Wow. So cool.
New plucking technique.
New plucking
That is
technique.
accurate.
Wow.
Bullseye.
Take 2.
How you doing?
How was anesthesia?
It was good. I still think he's a little bit doped out from all of it. But he's doing pretty good.
You woke up nice. Surgery went well.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, you behave, okay? You keep that
Away.
pin in there and take your vitamins. And don't be mean. And we'll have you out there cleaning up the beaches and eating the garbage of Lake Ontario
Very
pretty soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, wow.
If you get a good enough look at its bones, I'll need to take it off meds.
This is the guy who likes to charge, right? He looks really good.
He does, hey.
What meds has he been on?
Just meta, but I discontinued the meta one when it was bleeding, and so it's just had 2 shots of Excel since you closed.
Yeah, you can definitely take him off.
Nice.
And I would say, I mean, they would normally heal as fast as any other average mammal, right?
Yeah,
So I mean, he could probably be released in a week.
yeah.
Is he eating well? Because he was really skinny before.
He, if I go and pick him dandelions by hand on the side of the road, yes.
All right. So we'll have to release him somewhere that you can provide him with hand-picked dandelions.
Like I was doing research about like beavers and mountain lions and stuff, and there's so many cases. Like I always thought, like if you encounter a mountain lion, that's it. Like that's it. There's so many cases of mountain lions not pursuing people. It's like they're cleaning board, so like flurry. He's stuck in the buddy. You're so good. Alrighty guys, so we are at the end of our day today. I'm just heading back from Shades of Hope. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. Patrons are the best. We love you guys. Yeah, so we really appreciate everything you guys do for us, and remember to be kind to animals. Bye, thank you.